There are places that you visit, and there are places that stay with you forever, where rivers move like silk, mountains hide ancient secrets, and the sea whispers stories older than time. This is Dalyan. Dalyan is a small, peaceful town in Muğla province on Turkey's stunning southwest coast. Hidden between Marmaris and Fethiye, this quiet paradise is where nature, history, and slow living come together in the most beautiful way. It's not loud, it's not crowded. Dalyan is a place where you come to breathe. One of the most magical ways to explore Dalyan is by boat. As you glide along the river, tall green reeds surround you like a secret passage through nature. The water is calm, almost like a mirror, reflecting the sky, the mountains, and the quiet beauty of this place. There's no rush here, no noise, just the soft sound of the boat and the feeling that the world has slowed down just for you. This isn't just a boat ride, it's a journey into peace. And then you see them, carved high into the cliffs, watching over the river for thousands of years, the ancient Lycian rock tombs. These incredible structures were built as royal tombs because the Lycians believed that the higher you were buried, the closer you would be to the gods. Standing here, looking at them, you don't just see history, you feel it. But Dalyan isn't only about quiet beauty and ancient stories, it also knows how to have fun. The famous mud baths are one of the most unique experiences here. You cover yourself in warm mineral mud, laugh like a child, and wait for it to dry under the sun. They say it's great for your skin, but honestly, it's even better for your mood. Messy, silly, unforgettable. There are plenty of places to stay in Dalyan, from luxury hotels to small cozy boutique hotels. So, it is up to you to choose whichever you like. Let us go a bit further from Dalyan to a very special place you definitely should visit. Our road would be very beautiful indeed. On our way, prepare to be amazed by nature. These mountains, this river, these mandarin and orange trees. And here we arrived. At the end of the river, Dalyan opens up to something truly special. Iztuzu Beach. Also known as Turtle Beach, this long stretch of golden sand is one of the most important nesting places for Caretta Caretta sea turtles. On one side, the fresh water of the delta, on the other, the deep blue Mediterranean Sea. It feels wild, pure, untouched, a place where nature is still in charge. But Iztuzu Beach is more than just beautiful, it's protected. This beach is one of the main nesting areas in the Mediterranean for endangered Caretta Caretta sea turtles. Between May and September, females come ashore at night to lay their eggs, and weeks later, tiny hatchlings make their way to the sea. Because of this, parts of the beach close at night and visitors are asked to respect nature. Knowing this place is not only for us, but also for new life, makes it even more special. Back in town, Dalyan shows another side of its charm. Riverside restaurants glow softly in the evening light, boats drift by slowly, and the air smells like grilled fish and fresh herbs. Life here moves gently. People smile more. Conversations last longer. Dinner in Dalyan isn't just a meal, it's a moment you want to hold on to. As the sun begins to set, the whole town turns golden. The river reflects the colors of the sky, lights begin to shimmer on the water, and everything feels softer, quieter, slower. Dalyan isn't a place of big crowds or loud attractions. It's a place of nature, of history, of stillness. A place where you reconnect with the earth, with the past, and maybe even with yourself. If you're searching for beauty, peace, and something truly special, Dalyan is waiting for you. See you on the next journey.